Welcome students to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss about how to represent the elements of a matrix and what is order of a matrix. So before knowing the representation of the elements, we need to know that what is the position of the elements. We represent the position by ij, where I is row number and j is column number. Now we represent each of the element by aij. Now if we write a12, that means the element which is at the first row and second column. So what is the first row? This is the first row. What is the second column? This is the second column. So what is the element at the intersection of the first row and second column? That is 1. So A12 equals to 1 in this example. If we write A11, that means the element at the first position, first row and the first column, that is 2 here. So in this way, we have to write the elements in the general form. Look at this second example. Here we have three rows and three columns. So that is why we have to represent each of the elements by A11, A12, A13. That means the elements which is at the first row and the jth column respectively. And what are the values of j? This is 1, 2, and 3. So if in this matrix we write A31, then what is the element at the 3 and 1 position? This is the element 8. So A31 is 8. What is A23? That means second row, third column. That is 9. So that is equals to 9. So this is how we have to represent each of the elements within a matrix. Next is order of a matrix. So what is the order of a matrix? We represent the order of a matrix by number of rows into number of columns. In this matrix, we have two rows and two columns, so the order is 2 cross 2 or 2 by 2. In the second matrix, we have three columns and only one row. So the order of the matrix is 1 cross 3. In the third example, we have three rows and only one column. So that's why the order of this matrix is 3 by 1 or 3 cross 1. Always remember that while representing the elements of a matrix or while representing the order of a matrix, the first number always represents the number of rows or the row number, and the second number always represents the number of columns or the column number in the case of representation of the elements. So if we write for this matrix, if we write the order is 3 cross 1, then that is completely wrong, because 3 cross 1 order matrix means the matrix has 3 rows and only one column. So be very careful while writing the order of a matrix or while representing the element of a matrix. Okay, so that is all about the representation of a matrix and the order of a matrix. I hope you have a clear idea now that how should we represent the elements of a matrix and how to write our order of a matrix. If you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in the next one.